Today, hi. Today we're gonna build a train set that's off of Amazon. I really don't know the name of the brand, but I will put that in the description with the link to it. So this one comes with, it's pretty simple, comes with the instructions. The majority of the pieces are this size. So let's get building, buddy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start it with the helicopter pad here. All right. So off the helicopter pad, we've got this B. You can put this piece right there. Nope, no, the way I had it, this way. Good job. There you go. Okay, now you're gonna put this piece right here. Very good. And then this piece right here. Okay, there's that one. The G. Okay, now a B. Oops, like that. There you go. All right.
Look at all of these tracks.
Look at all of these tracks. All right, so
This is many tracks.
okay, so you got your G, your B. You're gonna do the G right there. Perfect. Okay, let's start this one. Okay, so this one's gonna go right here. I think. Yeah, I think it's gonna go that way.
Thank you. I did it, Mom.
You did it. You did such a good job.
Look at
All right, so this B, gonna go right here.
I'm building it, Mom.
Perfect.
I'm trying myself.
You're building it all by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Some of this track right here.
Okay, yep. Can you put that one right here? Oh, let's flip it the other way. Actually, that doesn't feel right.
Don't go with it. No.
Okay, another one of these.
I think it's this one.
No, it's not that one. It's another one of these size.
That one?
Yeah. Can you grab one?
Is this one?
Yeah, bring it right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, can you flip it? No, yeah. Okay, put that one on. Here, let me show you. Yeah, like this way. Okay, try it that way.
There we go. Now let's pick one of the other pieces.
Okay, so now we need the long, the straight one. It's gonna be, oops, I stopped the recording. Okay, it's the long, straight one.
Uh-oh.
Whoops, my bad. Okay, this one's gonna go right here.
I want to try.
Okay, you do it. Okay, now let's do another one of these curvy B ones.
Is it this one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, right here. Very good. Now we're gonna do one of the short, straight ones. See over there by the red roof?
Right over here?
Yeah, right over there.
Right here? Right here?
This one right here.
Oh, is it that one? Right, red one?
Okay,
right
put it right here. Very good.
Okay.
Okay.
And is it this one?
It actually is, yeah.
It is. There we go.
And then another one of those ones.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But now you're gonna flip the curve.
Is it that way? Let's see. Is it that way?
Yeah, no, you had it the right way. You just gotta, oh, no, flip it this way. this way.
I'm.
Okay, good job.
There we go.
Okay, let's do this area. Grab another one of the small circle ones, put right here.
Okay.
Flip it the other way. Yep. Here, show. Like this. Put it in there. Good job. Okay, so now we need.
There's the people right there.
Wait, I'm sorry, that was wrong. I'm looking at it upside down. We need.
There's the people right there.
Oh, we need the ramp. Maybe those two little ramps that go to the bridge.
I'll put one right here.
Yeah, so one goes right here, and then we need the bridge.
And this one, and this one.
Perfect. Okay, yeah, bring those over here.
I'll come back here.
Okay. Go ahead and do a sit down. Okay, perfect. So, what we're going to do is this piece is going to go here. Perfect. Now you're going to put on the bridge right here. You got to put that thing in there. There you go. And this one goes on the other side. Good job.
Okay.
Look at that.
It's under.
You did it. Yeah, you got an under over going on right there. All right, so what is next? Ooh, okay.
That's in water.
Okay, so
That's
now.
water.
Okay, so now we need this piece. This goes here.
Okay. Okay.
Go. Okay. So then, okay, so then we need another. Go back over there so you can reach the pieces. Okay, so this one's gonna go here.
I want to try.
You want to try? Okay, that one's gonna go there.
I just put that down.
Good job. Okay, then we need another one of these size.
Is it this one?
And it's gonna go right here. Very good.
Okay.
Okay, B and a B. Okay,
This
so now
two
we need that bigger three-way one. That one right there.
This
Right.
one?
Yeah. There you go.
Is it go this way?
Okay, so it's not gonna go that way. We have to flip it this way.
Oh.
Okay?
Well,
So then we need
is
a
it,
B and a B
what
and
is
an
it?
H. Okay. Good. One more.
Wait, this one?
Right here. Other way. Flip it. Okay.
It's not gonna work. There we
There
go.
you go. And then we need the one with the two red rails behind you.
Wow.
Yeah, that one. Okay, and then that's going to go right here. Okay, you got to line it up inside the helicopter pad in there.
It's not.
Okay, let me try. Yeah, this one, not a fan of this helicopter pad thing. It seems really tight, that one.
You come?
There we go. All right. Woo, look at that. We're almost done. We just got to connect right here to right here.
Okay.
So,
Let's get this piece.
shockingly,
Is it this piece?
I'm guessing we need more bees. Right here. Put in one. Good. Okay, another. Other way. Flip, rotate. Rotate it. Let me show you. Like this.
Okay. Then it's this last piece. And it's this last piece.
Flip it. Go. Okay, is there one more? There should be one more.
I gotta do that.
Okay. Okay. Should be one more.
Where?
Right on where your hand is.
By this one?
Yeah, that's going to go right in here. Oh, gotta flip it. Close. But let's rotate it like that. There you go. There you go. We connected everything. Look at that.
We can.
All right, so now we got everything connected.
Oh, let's get this fire station right here. Let's get that fire station right there.
Okay, so now we've got everything connected. This little church train station, I think, it goes there. Yeah, and then there's these ramps can go by this helicopter pad.
I'll put the other one there.
There's signs. Train. There's a train station.
I put that one right there, Mom.
There's this little box thing over here with this little red roof. There's all these people.
All of those people.
There's some fish. Put the fish over here in the sea. There's a fishing pole. Whoa.
I just threw one.
You threw it. Can you catch a fish?
Yeah. I can catch one.
Okay, show me.
Catch
one. You did it! Good job. All right, we got some more signs. We got a no U-turn sign. We got a bus stop sign.
Let's wait for the bus to come. Let's wait for the bus to come.
We got some lights.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Eh.
I knocked the people off the roof.
Eh.
All right.
It's called another fish.
Okay.
We got one.
You got one.
Mom?
We do have a helicopter somewhere. I don't think we have it with us right now. And then there's two other. I think we're missing quite a few, probably with our other train sets, but that's okay. So we got ourselves a little police car. Woo! Uh-oh. Oh, this one's actually Brio, so it doesn't go with this one.
That's Brio one?
Yeah. So we got our happy bus.
Happy bus?
Woo!
Whoa.
We got our little train car.
We got a fish, Mom.
You got a fish?
Yeah. Now it's got a second fish. We got one, Mom.
Good job. You did a good job.
Let's get the dolphin and put it in the water.
Okay.
Let's put it in that water. Now we have a last fish, Mom. It's the last fish. We got it, Mom.
That's really cool, buddy. You want to show me how the trains go around on the track?
Okay.
They're on the track.
Oh, they're on the track? But I have another train to track.
Okay, whichever one you want, buddy. There's a train. This one.
Oh, it fell off.
It fell off. Oops.
Let's
There we go.
see.
Are you going to take the train around?
What's in here? What's this?
That's an ambulance.
It takes us to the hospital.
Mm-hmm.
It goes to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital. We're here, then we gotta go to the hospital.
All right, keep going. Let's see.
Let's go to the hospital. Hospital. We're going to the hospital. By the train station. And over here.
Uh-oh, you hit a police officer.
Oh. Push it off first. Wow! Let's go under the bridge. Let's go under. Let's go under.
Okay. Cool.
It's going under. Uh-oh. Spaghetti go. There's a choo-choo train right here.
Yeah.
Choo-choo train.
All right. Super fun. Can you say bye?